Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. Go ahead and check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Oh snap, hello? Oh no, okay. I'm sorry you guys, my bad. Yeah, I didn't have the USB mic plugged in. So let's start that over. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. This is our Sunday live chat. Sorry you guys, no audio. But all I was pretty much just saying is, I don't know if any of you guys are into crypto right now, but you know, I have a couple of little coins over here and some Ethereum and some Dogecoin and stuff. And girl, Dogecoin is just going crazy right now. It just hit 35 cents. So that's good. Considering we're kind of recovering from the crypto crash. So, hey, what do they say? Hold, H-O-D-L, hold on for dear life, whatever. So what's up everybody? What's up John? Doge Pound, are you telling me to buy more AMC? I'm not messing with that AMC. Stop that. What's up, Lovely? Elijah, that's my cousin's name. Marsha, that's cute. Ronald, Brian, Dina, King 7, Kenneth. Okay. All right. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started for today's live chat. So I just want you guys to put in your requests for the stocks that you want to talk about. We're just going to do some technical analysis. That's pretty much what we do on Sundays. And right after this, I'm going to have my top 3 option plays premiering after this video. So I'm going to keep it short for you guys so I can go ahead and put this option play video out for you, because the last couple of weeks, the option picks that we've been talking about have been going crazy. So yeah, let's just go ahead and let's get into it. But make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure that you subscribe so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. What's up, Sharon? Hey, Sharon. And what's up, Kent? Hey, what's up? All right, so I can't see because of this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. Hi from Bermuda. That's cute. Okay. Hey, Bermuda. Or, oh, Sharon, I didn't know you were from Chicago. That is so interesting. I like that. That's cute. Okay. I've never been to Chicago, but I do like King Vine. Okay. Missouri. Okay. What's up, Chocolate Drop? That's cute. So let's start with Fernell, and this is CIDM. Let me see. What is that? So let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. So let me change this right here. Hold on, you guys. Give me 1 second so I can update everything. What? No, I like it capitalized. What's going on? Okay. All right. So this is CIDM. This is cute. Okay, so you say option 6. I'm not sure what your plans are for this, but just, okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Let's look at it on the 180-day for, oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, so looking at it on a 180-day chart further out, it does look like it's been in an uptrend. They just had an earnings report on the 14th in July. So, I mean, it doesn't really tell me if it was a beat or not, but I mean, the stock has been going up since then, and it's looking like it's been continuing up on that trend. So right now, you know, it looks like it's having a little bit of a pullback, which is pretty much, it's pretty normal when you have upward trends like this. So I don't know if you already have this stock or if you're looking for an entry point, but for me, I would kind of wait right now, just looking at it. If you kind of see, we have this crossover right here with the MACD. So it looks like that blue MACD might cross below the signal, and that's a good indication of a downward trend. And then the same thing with the RSI indicator is kind of pointing downward also. So if I was going to get into this for next week, I would just kind of see what happens to it. I would wait for that price to come, what is it, 177? I would wait for that price to come above 180 or so if you were going to do a continuation of that upward trend. But if you were going to do a put play or something like that, oh no, this is a penny stock. I know this doesn't have options. It might, hold on. Girl, I don't have any options for this. Okay, well, I mean, hey, just see what happens. It's looking like it could set up to do, you know, a bit of a drop, but it could also continue upwards. So like I'm saying, wait and see for this crossover going on next week. And let's just zoom in a little bit closer. Hold on. All right, zooming in a little bit closer, I would want to see it go above this $1.87. So, you know, upwards of 2. But it is looking like it's in an uptrend, so it's looking pretty cute, okay? Somebody left a comment talking about, you know, I guess when girls are talking about stocks, they say it's pretty cute. I don't know about girls, but I just know that that's just me. That's just how I talk. Everything is cute. Who was it? Oh, G-Lo. Hey, G-Lo. A $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much. Good to hear. I'm from Chicago as well. Thank you for creating the space for us to all learn. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, G-Lo. I really appreciate the love from you guys. I really feel like we're creating a family environment, and that's also what I really want to create with the Discord, because it's one thing to talk on here, but I just feel like it's just going to be a whole different vibe when we're all actually trading together and trading the same stuff. So that's going to be cool. So that's going to be that on that. Thank you, Fernell, for that. Let's go to the next, my first live with you, cuz. What's up, investor JJJ? Thank you. What's up? Oh, rest in peace, Vaughn. I know, that is so unfortunate. I hate that. Okay, so let's get to the next one. This is from Gary, and this is MVIS. So let me update this. Update this and update this. Okay. All right. So let me zoom out a little bit. So, okay, I don't know what you're wanting to do with this one, but as you already just saw on the weekly chart, and then even zooming out a little bit more, this stock is right now, it's definitely in a bear market. But one thing I will say is it did just kind of pop above the 50-day moving average. So going forward, I kind of see maybe we have some support right here around this $14 mark, $14.39-ish mark. Right now it's $14.12. So I would, if you're going for it to continue upward, I would wait to see, you know, maybe a crossover with this MACD indicator right here. So you'll see right now it's kind of trading, the blue MACD is trading below the signal. So I would wait for a crossover with that as far as it to go up. Now, it has been in that downtrend, but you kind of like to see these little, what can you call it? Like a slowing down of that momentum. So it's definitely slowing down. And I would wait to see, is it going to change directions? Is it going to change trend direction? So The RSI indicator is looking like it's ready to rip. It's a little bit oversold right now, so it can go either way. But I would really just wait for a crossover. Or it could continue on that downtrend and it just had a quick bullish pullback and it's just going to continue going down. So honestly, it could go either way. I just tell you guys to look out for these different little indicators so that you can get in on the plays early. So that's that on that. Let's go into the next one. Okay, so this is from Lisa. Hi from Nashville. What's up, Lisa? Good time to trade RBLX with a swing trade. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let's do that one. And that's kind of a fairly new IPO. I know that came out not too long ago. So let's see what they're talking about. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is looking really nice. Now it did hit this high of 103. This is back in June. It's kind of had a little bit of a fallback since then. So what I would be looking for this, you're talking about a swing trade. Now, overall, it has been in a downtrend, as you'll see here from June. So it's kind of going intermittently above and below this 50-day moving average, which is fine. But you'll kind of see that we're having an increase in the MACD indicator. So it's slightly moving upwards, and now it is above this center line here. So this is a really good indication that, you know, it could continue going upwards. Now, as far as swing trade goes, okay, it's $83 a share. Does this have options? I don't know if you have options for this. Okay, it does have some options. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So one thing I will say, and you guys, if you watch any of my videos on options, you'll notice that I do mention this about the implied volatility. So the implied volatility on this one is a little bit high. So I would consider it high if it's above 50 or 60 range. So for me, if I was going to do a play on this, it would be something that's going to receive premium, like a credit spread or condors or something like that. But overall, right now, it does look like it's trying to trend back upwards, or at least this downtrend is starting to slow down. So going into next week, pretty much the same thing. I would want to see a crossover with this MACD with the blue right now. It's trading kind of close. The RSI is kind of setting up to do pretty well also. It's only trading at 56, so it's pretty neutral. Looking at stocks over the weekend, a lot of times they do end the week pretty neutral, which is pretty good because you can kind of start the week off fresh and give yourself something to look forward to going into next week. So if I would want to see this continue on this uptrend that it has been doing probably since late July, I would want to see it cross above, I would say at least this 85, 86 realm. I would want to see it kind of go upwards towards those prices. So it might not do that on Monday, but at least going into next week, if you start to see it rise up, oh, what is this? And we have something, oh, what? They have an earnings report tomorrow morning. Okay, well, I mean, if they have an earnings report, it's probably going to increase. We'll see what goes on with that one. And then just, you know, like I said, looking at this MACD indicator, it's kind of setting itself up to do some crazy moves. So, hey, we'll see what goes on with that one going into next week, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so thank you for that, Lisa. Chocolate Drop says, how do I even start to understand stocks? One way that you can understand stocks is just start watching some videos on stocks, researching how to read stock charts, candlestick charts, and I mean, start to paper trade. So I don't know if you guys are trading on Robinhood or Webull. I would suggest you start trading on Webull because they do have paper trading. So definitely just get started. Okay, oh, this is Visa. Okay, damn it. Oops, excuse me. I can't bleep that out on live. All right, so let's get into Visa next. This is from Jasmine Lee. What's up, Jasmine? And it's so crazy. In our top 3 options video, I didn't talk about Visa, but we did kind of talk about the 5G sector. So it's kind of interesting that everything is intertwined. Okay, so I have that pin there, boom. All right, so this is Visa, and everybody knows, wait, Visa, I said Verizon. That's not 5G. Damn, that's not even close. Okay. But yeah, this is Visa. Everybody knows what Visa is. Visa, MasterCard, all that stuff. Yes. So overall, it has been looking like it's been uptrending for a few months. It hit this high of 252. When was this? This was back in late July also. So a lot of stocks kind of hit a peak in July, and we're kind of starting to see a downward trend from that. Even the MACD falling below the center line, that's kind of an indication that we're going down, down, down. The RSI has been oversold for a while. So going into next week, I'm going to be honest with you, it does still look like it could continue on that downward trend. But you could have a, a quick pullback. So you're going to have that even when you're in a downtrend. The market is, it'll probably swing up for a little bit. So it does look like we're setting up to swing up a little bit, but like I said, it could continue on that downward trend. And they have a dividend payout, but I haven't really seen dividends do too much as far as the price movement, but it does look like it is continuing on that downward trend going into next week. Let's zoom in a little bit closer with that one. Yeah. And it's, even on Friday, it's kind of trading in between this zone. So going into next week, if you see it fall below this 231 area, it could continue on that downtrend. And if you see it, obviously start to go above maybe 233, 234 range, then it might start to swing up. But it's looking like it's going to continue on that downtrend, which is fine because you can do put options on this. So there's always profit in any direction. And these options aren't too expensive, girl. These is cute. Okay. What? Okay. I'll take that. Okay. So let's get into the next one. That smile does it for me. Thank you, D. I appreciate that. Lala Stocks Corner. We are in here. Smash that like button. Thank you so much. Oh, Daphne, thank you. What's up, Daphne? Happy belated birthday. I know your birthday just passed, so shouts out to you. I hope you're doing well and just staying great and drinking a lot of water, okay? All right, so let's get into the next one. Sean, eBay. What is eBay's ticker symbol? Okay, well, eBay, that's cute. Okay, all right, so let me pin this. Hold on. So this is from Sean. Nope, that's not the right one. Make sure I get the right one. Is this it? I hope so. Fingers crossed. And let me put this over here. Boom. Now, where's the pin? The pin. Okay, boom. There we go. Okay, so this is eBay. Everybody knows about eBay. Oh, wow, eBay is doing cute. What, girl, I would think eBay is obsolete with Amazon rocking the market, but eBay is doing cute. Okay, so obviously, I really like to see stocks like this because this gets me excited. I'm sorry, I can't fake that. Now, okay, so probably what caused this increase, they had an earnings report last week. So they had an earnings on the 11th. I'm not sure if it was a beat or not, honey, but God dog, I mean, this price just went up. Now, it's been in an uptrend. You didn't say if you're trying to hold on to it for a swing or I don't know what you're trying to do with this. $74 a share. I just feel like, I don't want to assume. I just feel like most people on this channel are into options because that's pretty much all I talk about is options. So, I mean, the options on this are a cute price. Like, I mean, you can get into some plays, $200, $300. I'll get into a few of those, okay? Now, like I said, it had the earnings last week. We had this dip in price. So, but overall, it is in an uptrend. It is hitting this high, and then you'll kind of notice that the RSI is a little bit if you wouldn't consider this overbought, I would definitely consider 79 to 80 in the overbought zone. So going into next week, what you might see, or what I would look for, I don't know if you're already holding on to this. I wouldn't get into this until I kind of started to see a continuation of that uptrend, because anytime you see a huge price movement like this, you might start to see it. Dang. I mean, wow. Okay, so this is the earnings right here. Even the next couple of days, it's been going crazy. So, okay, that changes it. But I know you guys see that already. Now look at this. Now you see this price going up, but you see that MACD going down. So that's kind of giving me, it's kind of giving me some divergence there. So to me, it's kind of looking like that upward trend is starting to slow down. So going into next week, I would just kind of watch out for that. If you see that price maybe start to drop below, maybe where it is right now, 74, 73, then that could be an indication that that upward trend is slowing down and it might start to drop, because it did just increase that much. But I mean, hey, if it still keeps going on, honey, if it drops up, or excuse me, if it pops up above that 75 zone, that is good territory, and it's going to keep going up, because like I said, after earnings, I mean, it's been going up a couple of days after that, which is a great indication. Now let's look and see at the, okay, and the implied volatility is not too bad either, which is kind of what you would expect after the earnings. The implied volatility is going to have that drop, that implied volatility crush, or whatever they call it. So, I mean, I would just kind of say, look and see what happens. Don't just jump into it if you're not already into it. It's okay to wait, okay? Play it safe. So, let me take a little sip. My throat parched. And make sure you guys click that thumbs up button, okay? All right, so let's get into the next one. Okay, this is from Gino. What's up, Gino Brown? Oh my gosh, I love that name. Gino Brown, it's just so strong. And I see, who was this? Menelik Pascal. I hope I'm saying that right. We're gonna get to you next, because I want to talk about Walmart, because I have one really good option play in Walmart I want to talk about. Oh, but not right now. We're gonna do Gino's right now, and then we're gonna do Walmart. Okay, slow down, Foxtail. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up, and we're getting pretty close. I don't want to keep you guys too long tonight, because I really want to play this options video next, and then I just got some new rollerblades. I'm going skating tonight, honey. I'm about to break them out. Oh, no more renting for me. I'm so excited. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh my gosh. Shouts out to Impala Skates for just blessing. Oh my God, who is this? Oh, this is a penny stock, but it's still moving. Yes. But yeah, shouts out to Impala Skate for these beautiful rollerblades. This is cute. Okay, so this is from Gino. This is clearly slightly a penny stock. It's kind of on the borderline because it's trading above $5, but honey, it's still moving up. Everybody is moving up right now. Now, what I like, this is an amazing setup. Gino, this, oh, thank you, Daphne. Thank you for your $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much. Okay, so what I like about this is it has clear overbought, oversold patterns. I mean, it's giving me, you know, in the waves, just zone, zone, zone. Now, right now, probably over the last few trading days, it has been in a downtrend, but it's looking like it's setting up just to rip. So look at that MACD indicator. Boom. We just had that increase right here. Hold on, let me zoom in. Just had that increase right there with the blue MACD trading above the signal. So that just happened. What was that, on Friday? Boom. So it was looking cute for that. Let's see what happens next week. The same thing with the RSI. It's pretty neutral. It's about 59.60. So that, to me, in an uptrend, that's pretty neutral. I'm not going to say that's low, but in an uptrend for me, 60 is not that high. So it really has some room to grow. Now, if I had a, if I was going to get into this, I would probably get into this going in on Monday. So let me zoom in just a little bit. This is doing so well. So going into Monday, you know, let's see what happens in the pre-market. It might shoot up, but if it starts going above this 620 range, it's definitely going to continue on that uptrend. I would definitely be in that. And then if it kind of starts to taper off, maybe kind of wait on that. If it drops a low that's 6, because that's kind of giving me a little bit divergence too. Look at that. That price moved up. This is on Friday, but then you kind of see that MACD kind of dropping. It's giving me divergence. So that upward trend momentum might be slowing down. So just kind of wait and see. There's no harm in waiting. And if it doesn't meet your trade criteria, then don't get into it. But honestly, just looking at it further out, it's pretty much looking like it's going to continue on the uptrend. So we'll see with that. Okay, so let's get into this Walmart next, because I really want to do Walmart. Now, while I'm setting everything up, just a kind of quick story about this Walmart option that I have. I just kind of wanted to try an option contract that was a few months out. So I actually have a Walmart option contract in Webull that doesn't expire until I think January. What is, okay, here it is. It doesn't expire until January 2022. I only paid $100 for the option. Literally, Walmart, you'll see, look at this. Like last week, Walmart went crazy and the option contract has already doubled itself in price just off of the movement from last week. And it doesn't expire until 2022. So this is just the power of options. But looking at it, it looks like it's kind of slowing down, because it did kind of slow down the last couple of days. And then you'll kind of see this crossover with the MACD. The RSI looks like it's doing, we'll kind of see, what is that? It's at 65. Okay, so going into next week, you didn't say if you're trying to swing trade it or not, but I'm gonna channel what you want. I'm just gonna talk for myself what I want to see. Okay, so going into next week, boom. Now, we have this high right here of about 150. Right now it's trading at 149. Going into next week, I need to see this price, and zoom in a little bit more. In between this zone, now if you guys are trading with Thinkorswim, I have a video on how to get this automatic support and resistance. I have not touched anything. It just automatically generates that on its own. But you'll kind of see a little bit resistance up here at 149. So like I said, I want to see it break above that 150 range, but it is trading in the higher resistance area, if that makes sense. So it's not trading in the lower portions, it's trading in the higher realm. So going into Monday, let's see what happens in pre-market, but honestly, it's looking like it's setting up to rip. And also, I'm not going to show it right here because I'll have to go and search for it, but I just saw an article on Friday that was talking about Robinhood possibly beating Amazon or something with the earnings or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but that just stuck out to me because, you know, hey, Amazon is one of the top things going on right now, besides Jeff Bezos bragging about spending billions of dollars to go and float around in space for 30 minutes. Like, girl, get out of here with that. That's not cute to me. That wasn't cute, Jeff. It wasn't cute, but kudos. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. We have a super chat from Miss Blackfoot. Miss Blackfoot Barber was popping. Can you look at Gap? They're closing at 350. They're closing 359 stores, and I think a put option can be a good idea. Thanks for all that you do. Thank you so much, Miss Blackfoot Barber. So let's see what she's talking about. Oh, that's not Gap. Hold on, here it is. No, where's Gap? Oop. What is Gap's ticker symbol, you guys? Miss Blackfoot, can somebody put the, shoot, let me Google it real quick. Dang it. Hold on, shoot. That's it right there, isn't it? What's the Gap's ticker symbol? It's not GPS, is it? Oh, okay, it is. Okay. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I like doing live, and this is why I really want to start. This is why I want to start our Discord, because I just feel like, ooh, I just feel like there's just gonna be so much community in my Discord group. I don't know about those other YouTubers, honey, but I don't know. I just feel like ours is gonna be cute. Okay. Dang. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Blackfoot. This is nice. Now, you're right. It does. I mean, okay, you talking about they're closing stores and stuff now. I mean, at the beginning of the year, they were doing okay. I mean, it was at 19. It shot up. Now, I don't know what started happening around May. I'm not laughing at the Gap. That's not funny. Okay, I don't know what started happening around May, but it just started to drop. Now, I don't know what's going on going forward, but it is setting up to continue dropping. And just looking at the MACD indicator, I mean, it's looking like it's gonna drop, and I wouldn't get too concerned about this RSI being oversold, because as you guys have seen for a lot of stocks that are in downtrends, it'll stay oversold forever and it'll just continue dropping. So, I mean, I'm sorry, Gap. They had some really good sales. I got some really cute sandals from them. I'm sorry if they're closing stores. Damn it, COVID. It's messing up everybody's pockets. But yeah, it's looking like it's setting up to drop. So let's just zoom in a little bit closer and see about next week. Hold on. Dang. Yeah, it's in a downtrend. I don't know. Now, and even the automatic the automatic support and resistance we have right here, it's even trading below that. It's just dropping. So if you were gonna do a put on this, okay, so if you were looking at a weekly chart, I would still wait to see a MACD crossover, you know, on a closer time chart. But honestly, as you saw from further out, I mean, it's dropping, it's sinking. So, okay, we're at 31 minutes. I'm probably gonna do maybe 2 more, and then I'm gonna wrap it up, because I'm gonna have this I have it scheduled to premiere at 6:45. So, okay, let's do 2 more, and then we're gonna go, or maybe 1. This is from Tiana, how do we get the same software as you? This is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. So I have some videos on how you can download that. I have a whole playlist, so you can get that. Thinkorswim is super easy, it's free, and it's for me. Kanye West, fuck him. I'm not into Kanye. I'm not into Kanye in this Donda. I didn't forget about all that mess he was doing with Trump, so I'm not here for Kanye. Dang, I didn't change this over here on the last stock I did. Sorry, you guys. It's still on Walmart. Let's go into 1 more, and this is gonna be QRVO. And the only reason I picked that is because it reminds me of Quavo. I know that has nothing to do with stocks, but I really like Quavo. QRVO. Okay. Oof, God. Okay, now, this is looking pretty cute. Now, this is the opposite of the stock that we were just looking at. So this is clearly giving you uptrend. It's giving all uptrend, and I do like that it has pretty good overbought, oversold patterns. Now, you'll see right here, it's clearly in an oversold zone. The RSI is looking like it's ready to pop. The same thing with the MACD indicator. Now, this is a little bit further back. This is on the 180-day chart. But even on that, going for a long play, like maybe a week hold, I would look at it on the further back chart, 180-day 4-hour, and I wouldn't get into this until I saw a crossover here, because that's clearly indicating that it's continuing on that upward trend after this dip. And right now it's trading clearly in between the zone right here. Excuse me, because this white line, the 50-day moving average, is trading right in the center of that. So that's kind of showing you it's kind of sideline trading right now. So it's definitely in a predictable zone. Going into next week, let's move a little bit closer. Yeah, going into next week, pretty much the same as the other ones. I would want to see it start trading above maybe 188, 189. So it's at 188 right now. I would want to see it going up to 189, 190, and then that would be a good indication that it's continuing on that upward trend. And then even as you see right here, kind of have that, I like to kind of see this little, they call it this little flag play, where you have, you know, kind of have it kind of squeezing in right there, and then boom, just waiting for a breakout, as they call it. So, and then even right here, it's still trading kind of tight. It was trading really tight on Friday, but we still have a slight MACD crossover. So I'll just kind of wait and see what happens on Monday to see about that one. But hey, Fox, doesn't matter what brand of laptop you have to do. No, it doesn't matter. You just need, really, I think what's most important is your internet connection. You need really good internet connection, but most laptops and computers today are clearly up to par. Haha, QRVO, what is that? Cheers, thank you. What's up, Rick? Oh, okay, let's do one last more. Okay, this is from Matthew. What's up, Jermaine? Let's do Robinhood. This is gonna be the last one, you guys, and then I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm kind of interested in this too. So the last one is Hood. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. When I saw this, I was like, what are they talking about, Hood? I was like, what, Hood? I don't know what my thought process went to when I saw Hood. I'm like, what? Robinhood, honey. Girl. Okay, so this is even a little bit further back. So you see, this is a new IPO. As soon as she dropped in the gate, she went straight up. Now, Robinhood, I don't really mess with her like that. First of all, my account is blocked for pattern day trading because I day trade options, honey. That was before I switched to a cash account in Webull. I don't mess with Robinhood. But just kind of looking at it, it looks like it did, you know, kind of starting to trade above the EMA lines. Now on this stock chart, it doesn't even have a 50-day moving average. That's how new it is. Looking at the MACD indicator, you kind of see it kind of dropping a little bit right there. It did just kind of drop below that center line, but I would want to see it cross above that before I would do anything long term. So I would just wait until that happened on a further out chart. Now it looks like they have an earnings coming up. When is this? So they have an earnings coming up on the 18th. So we'll kind of wait and see what happens with that. I've seen a lot of articles saying that Robinhood is reaching a buy zone. So we'll kind of see with that. I think they said their buy zone might be around $60. So we'll see what happens if it hits 60 again. That will probably be a good entry point because that will obviously show that it's kind of going back up. So we'll kind of see with that. And then the RSI is, you know, it's pretty much oversold. So it's kind of low. We'll see what happens with Robinhood though. Webull is better. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna end this hold on, let me do this. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up if you were here. I'm gonna go ahead and end this right now so I can make sure that our top 3 option plays video comes up. So I have some pretty good plays for you. I'll write them down right here in my little Harriet the Spy notebook. Okay, so we have some pretty good plays for you going on today. And like I said, the last couple of weeks have been insane with these option plays, and I can't wait to do our Discord group. We're not going to have buy and sell signals just yet because you already know I'm not going to sit there and do that myself, but they do have software for that, but it's pretty expensive. We're not going to talk about that right now though, but just know that I'm thinking about it. I know what you guys want. I know what you guys need, and I'm just trying my best to just provide you guys with the best information that I can. So thank you guys so much for joining this live. Stay tuned for our top 3 option plays video coming up next. It's only about 10 minutes, so it's gonna be cute. And I'll catch you guys next. Actually, I'll catch you guys tomorrow because I have a video coming tomorrow. I know I'm bombarding you guys with videos, but thank you guys so much. All right, so I'll catch you next week, and good luck. All right, yeah.